Hello, my name is AJ, and in this Think Big Minute, brought to you by Banks Industrial Group, we're checking out past applications to see how they've held up over the years. This job occurs at a chemical plant where a wastewater pump was so severely corroded due to residual chemicals in the system. The corrosion resulted in a loss of pump efficiency requiring annual replacement. But as we say here at Belzona, repair, don't replace. Let's check it out. Replacement of the wastewater pump costs between $15,000 and $20,000 annually. At a fraction of the cost, the pump was rebuilt with Belzona 1111 and then coated with Belzona 1321 to protect against future corrosion. 2 years later, the pump exhibits no sign of performance loss and has not required repair. Thanks for joining us for today's Big Minute. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Feel free to leave any questions in the comments section or email us at the link below. Until next time, think big.